Most men today are harmless boys rather than dangerous men. Here's the reality. Every man should strive to become the most dangerous person in the room because there is a direct link between danger and respect. Society may try to fool you into believing that wanting to be dangerous makes you a bad person, but deep down, every man would prefer to be dangerous rather than harmless. It's an instinct you feel when you see another man who carries himself with a certain aura. There's no point in denying this feeling because being dangerous is actually a necessary part of being truly peaceful. You'll hear many men claim to be peaceful, but often they aren't being honest. They choose peace because they have no other option. They are harmless. Only a person who is genuinely dangerous yet chooses to be peaceful is truly at peace. Don't misunderstand what this means. Being dangerous in today's world involves much more than just physical strength. While being physically strong is a part of it, it is certainly not everything. In this video, we will cover 4 things that will make any man dangerous. Number 1, articulate your thoughts. A dangerous man is one who can articulate his thoughts. A man who can communicate effectively is intimidating to those who wish to harm him. This is one of the main reasons why Andrew Tate was targeted and canceled. It wasn't his kickboxing skills or his wealth that threatened those in power. It was his ability to articulate his thoughts in a way that directly challenged the modern agenda. Whether you like or dislike Andrew Tate is irrelevant. The fact remains that he can express his views clearly and has a persuasive way of speaking. The same goes for a figure like Jordan Peterson, who has demonstrated his ability to defend his ideas on numerous occasions where others have attempted to twist his words. Many men underestimate how powerful it is to master the skill of articulation. The world has changed, and today, even men who aren't traditionally considered dominant can be more dangerous if they have mastered the art of communication. Just think about it. There are countless popular YouTube channels where men engage in debates on a wide range of topics. Their entire content is based on making their opponent look foolish in a debate. In any other time in human history, if a man wanted to make another man look foolish, he would have had to be physically stronger than him. While physical strength still matters in real-life situations, it's not as crucial on the internet or in professional environments. Remember, it's not the strongest who survive, but the ones who can adapt. And right now, we're living in an era where adaptability is key due to the fast pace of digital change. Number 2, influence. Influence is about the ability to get things done and achieve desired outcomes. At its most basic level, influence is about compliance, getting someone to do what you want them to do. Governments and media hold a tremendous amount of influence. They can sway public opinion and direct people's actions. Think about the power they possess. They can create narratives that make people believe or act a certain way, even without questioning the information they receive. If they wanted to, they could paint a negative picture of you, influencing the general public to dislike or even take action against you. Having the power to rally people to your side, to gather support, can make any man more dangerous. No matter how strong or dangerous a man is, he becomes even more formidable when he has people backing him up. Being able to clearly express your thoughts helps you influence people and win them over to your side. While there are many other ways to influence others, that's a topic for another video. We will delve deeper into those methods in future videos. Number 3, invisibility. Many people enjoy showcasing their lives on social media, but unless you have a private account for just your family and close friends, or you are making money from it, there's little advantage to sharing your personal life publicly. Sharing details about your life can give others the information they need to use against you. It's easier to control people when you know a lot about them. Companies like Google, Twitter, and Facebook use the information they gather about you to target you with ads based on your interests, and they can do this because you've allowed them access to your personal data. Remaining unnoticed allows you to make moves in the shadows, preparing without anyone knowing. This gives you the ability to catch others by surprise with your success. When you stay under the radar, you can work towards your goals without anyone being aware of it, which can be a huge advantage. Think of it this way. When you achieve success and start to get noticed, it will be too late for others to try and stop you. They won't have had the time to prepare or counter your actions because you were working quietly in the background. Consider a UFC champion. He stands at the top, but there are competitors studying him day and night, preparing to take him down. The champion can't possibly prepare for every potential challenger, but those challengers are laser focused on how to defeat him. This makes the ability to operate unnoticed a powerful asset. The element of surprise is extremely potent. Use it to your advantage. Number 4, change people's perception of you. Appear weak when you are strong, and strong when you are weak. Showing vulnerability when you're actually strong can lure your opponents into traps, making them more likely to make mistakes or take actions that benefit you. For example, if you're in a courtroom and facing the possibility of going to jail, it's not wise to come across as overly powerful or confident, even if you're innocent. Appearing too strong in such a scenario could work against you. Knowing how to present yourself appropriately with the right body language can influence how others perceive you and affect their decisions. On the other hand, if you're in a business negotiation and you desperately need to close a deal, you should still project an image of strength and confidence, even if you don't feel it. Act as if you have plenty of other opportunities waiting for you. This will make others second-guess themselves and wonder if they are missing out on something by not partnering with you. Subtle cues in your body language can significantly shape people's perceptions of you. The man who knows how to skillfully use this to his advantage is indeed a dangerous man. Mastering these 4 areas, articulating your thoughts, wielding influence, remaining invisible, and controlling perceptions, will make any man truly dangerous in today's world. Remember, being dangerous is not about causing harm, but about possessing the power to protect yourself and command respect.